Today we Hello guys, today we're playing Smart Games 23 and these are my best cards right now and yeah, my favourites are Ronaldo. I got two Kevin De Bruyne's, one Pele and one Messi, three Alvarez's. I'll give two of them away to anybody. Just give me your code, I'll send you a transfer and yeah, give me one coin for one Alvarez. And yeah, I've got all these players right now, so trying to get rid of some. And I just made this so we can do this. Okay, so we got Brazilian CDM Fabinho. Not too bad. I don't like any of those. Selling 88. Ooh. Who's this? Spanish CBRP. Yeah, that's how you do it, like easy. We got 290 packs and 193. Okay, say, ooh, that's good. 94. So now we check the next pack. Ooh, Totti, English, 94. Oh, I thought it was Kane. And we'll keep Firmino as well because I like Firmino. Okay, so last pack, 93 plus. Oh, 90. Oh, I thought it was Suarez. Cavani, that's not bad, but we'll keep him and we'll keep him. So I think that will be all for today, guys. And yeah, just give me a code and so if you want to check your code, just go in this, see invitations, and there's your code. There's my code. Send me a transfer request if you like. And yeah, let's see a random trade. Let's see who we can get for Alvarez. It's one Alvarez now. If I no. I like this guy. He's weird. Yeah. Dev? Gavan? Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, this guy's weird. Let's leave. He